Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add cinematic bars on Filmora application. To add cinematic bars on Filmora, first of all launch open the Filmora application on your device. Now once you open it up, tap on the New Project button or open up an existing project you'd like to work on. Now after you've opened up a project, go ahead and import a video or image you would like to add cinematic bars on. Now that you've added an image, go ahead and click on the Effect button at the bottom of the screen. Click on Add on the bottom left. In the search box, type in cinematic bars and search. Choose one of the cinematic bars you would like to apply to your video or your image. After you select one of the cinematic bars option from the list, click on the tick mark at the top right corner. After you tap on the tick mark, you will be able to see the cinematic bar effect on your video. Drag the edges of cinematic bar and make sure that it covers your entire video if you want it to appear like that. Finally, after adding it, go ahead and click on the export button at the top right and select your export settings, your resolution, remove watermark, and if you want to turn on Smart HDR on your video, toggle on the button at the bottom and finally click on the export buttons at the bottom of the screen. And that is how you will be able to apply and add cinematic bars on Filmora. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.